Okay, Julieta. So, um, let's get you started off on the right foot here, okay? Um, so, as you'll see in the email, I've set you up with a username and password, okay? So, let's go ahead and log in and let me kind of show you what we got going. So you can just copy and paste those in from the email that I sent you. And so here we go. So now we are logged into our course. Okay. So this is our learning path. This is where all of the modules and the units will be. Okay. You can click here, um, or you can go here. Either way is fine. There's no difference. You will come to the same place. Okay. So really and truly, you're not that far behind. Last week we were off due to the Fiestas Patrias there in Chile. So really all we did that first week was complete this unit and have a live session and participate in the forums. Okay, so it's not the end of the world. You're certainly not way behind by any stretch of the imagination. Okay, so let me click right here. All right, so these are the modules that are scheduled for the course. Okay, getting started, understanding understanding speaking, maximizing interaction, understanding lesson planning, understanding differentiation, and understanding assessment for learning. Don't worry about this record of work. That is for me to complete. Okay? So, unit completion. So each module, like if you click right here, each module has 3 units to be completed. So, um, real simple. You click on start. It will open in a new tab. Okay, so each unit is going to have a different number of pages to complete. This particular unit has 11 pages. So basically, you just go through each page, you read, you complete the activities, so forth and so on. Then once this turns into completed, then you close. You simply close here. Um, that unit will close. The platform will update itself with your progress. And as you can see, um, I just went through a few slides, or a few pages rather, and it shows 45% complete. Okay, so what you're after is that in each one of these units, okay, excuse me, in each one of these units, this progress bar says 100%. Not 97, not 95. All of these bars need to be 100%. Result, try to get at least 70. You will have the opportunity to do the exercises over until you get 100%. So, but 70% is acceptable. Okay. So basically, it shouldn't take you long, in all honesty, to do these particular units. And then once you get finished with those, you can get started on this particular module that we're working in right now. Okay. Um, so once you finish up the work here in these units, then it's time to participate in the forums. Okay. So that's part of the assessment criteria. Um, Unit completion, module completion, and forum participation. Okay. So these live sessions, you miss those, so that's not the end of the world. You can always go here and take a look at the recording for the session that we had, so you'll be able to meet, not really meet, but at least see your other course mates. You guys will be participating in webinars, and talk about, and then you can reflect and make a post and reflect on what you saw. We would love to see what you think about that. Okay. You're more than welcome to post in these two getting started discussions, and then this is the current discussion that we're in right now. Okay. So in each discussion, the initial post will be from me, and it will have a set of instructions. Okay, so make a read my instructions and then make a post. Okay, so you'll just type your post, and then you click reply, and then that will appear down here like your other classmates. Okay, so we want to build a collaborative learning environment here. So um, it's always best to collaborate and interact with your fellow course mates here. So read their particular posts, and anything you have in common, anything you'd like to kind of start discussing with your course mates, just do the same thing. You click here on reply, you type your reply, post rather, and then click reply. Okay, and so to get back from the forums, I mean to the modules rather, from the forums, you just simply click here, and it takes you right back to over here to the coursework. Okay, so if you need any help after this, feel free to let me know. Be more than happy to help in any way possible.